Good morning, students. This is the next topic in chemical equilibrium chapter, that is ionic product of water. It is represented by Kw. Here the definition for it is the product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ions in water is called ionic product of water. In water, H plus and OH minus ions are present. We know that very well. If the concentration of product of H plus and OH minus, that product is called ionic product. What is it? The product of concentration of H plus and OH minus ions in water is called ionic product of water. From the definition we can write the mathematical expression like this, that is Kw is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration. H plus into OH minus concentration. Kw is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. That means this is the standard value of Kw at this temperature. At this temperature only, this Kw is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. That means from that what we can write, if Kw is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14, automatically H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration is equal to how much? 10 to the power of minus 7 at 25 degrees centigrade. How? Suppose if you substitute this value here, 10 power minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of minus 14. Like that we can write that equation. Next, here some points are there. These are very important points. In acidic solution, H plus concentration is greater than OH minus concentration. In acidic solution, H plus concentration is greater than OH minus concentration in acidic solution. In basic solutions, OH minus concentration is greater than H plus concentration. Already we have got these two expressions in class 10 chemistry. Here there are some more points are there. There are some more new points. They are, in acidic solution, that H plus concentration value is greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. Similarly, in basic solution, OH minus concentration is greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. These 2 points are old points. These 2 points are new points. What are those points? In acidic solution, H plus concentration is greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. In basic solution, OH minus concentration is also greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. For example, see, suppose in a solution H plus concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 in a solution. Then is this acid solution or basic solution? This is basic solution. How can we say that? If H plus is 10 to the power of minus 8, automatically OH minus is how much? 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6 means this is the more value than 10 to the power of minus 7. 10 to the power of minus 6 value is obviously more than 10 to the power of minus 7. Automatically, this OH minus concentration is greater than 10 to the power of minus 7. That means that is basic solution. That means by using H plus concentration or OH minus concentration, we can say that whether the solution is acid or base. Next point. Nature of aqueous solution based on H plus. That means by using H plus, we can say that whether the solution is acid or base. See, if the H plus concentration range is between 10 to the power of minus 1 to 10 to the power of minus 7. If the H plus concentration range is between 10 to the power of minus 1 to 10 to the power of minus 7, then that will be acidic solution. If H plus concentration solution is lies between 10 to the power of minus 7 to 10 to the power of minus 14, that will be base concentration. If H plus concentration is lies between this range, that will be acid. If H plus concentration is lies between this range, that will be base. If H plus concentration is exactly equal to 10 to the power of minus 7, exactly equal to 10 to the power of minus 7, that will be neutral solution. It will be what? Neutral solution. Next point. Nature of aqueous solution based on OH minus. In previous case, based on H plus. If OH minus concentration is lies between 10 to the power of minus 1 to 10 to the power of minus 7, that will be base. If it is lies between 10 to the power of minus 7 to 10 to the power of minus 14, that will be acid. If it is exactly equal to 10 to the power of minus 7, that will be neutral. So these are the points based on H plus and OH minus ion. Now pH. What is the definition of pH? The negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is called pH. The negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is called pH. That means mathematically we can write it as pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration. pH is equal to minus log H plus. If minus comes this side, then pH equal to log of 1 by H plus concentration. Log of 1 by H plus concentration. That means between pH and H plus inversely relation is there. That means if pH increases, H plus concentration decreases. If pH decreases, H plus concentration increases. Next, similarly, in case of POH, the negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is called POH. The negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is called POH. POH equal to minus log OH minus. That means POH equal to log of 1 by OH minus. Here also between OH minus and POH inversely proportion is there. That means if OH minus concentration increases, POH decreases. If POH increases, OH minus concentration decreases. Next point. pH plus POH is equal to exactly 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. That means at 25 degrees Celsius, sum of pH and POH values is equal to how much? 14. At any temperature, pH plus POH equal to pKW. This is at 25 degrees. This is at any temperature. You have to remember the formulas. Based on these formulas, some numericals are there. Now I am going to discuss about those numericals. First numerical. Calculate the pH of 10 to the power of minus 3m HCl. That means what? What is given? HCl means acid. Acid is given. For that 10 to the power of minus 3m, that is molarity, nothing but concentration. That means concentration is given for acid. What we have to find? pH. If concentration is in molarity, that should be converted into normality. That is also one of the concentration term. If concentration is present in molarity, that should be converted into normality to find pH. Here HCl molarity is given. For acids, every time that concentration is equal to H plus. So first what we have to do, that molarity should be converted into normality. Between molarity and normality, one relation is there. That is N equal to M into X. This is the relation between normality and molarity. So this substitute this molarity value here, and X value is what? X means basicity. That means number of replaceable hydrogens. If you put that value here, that means here one hydrogen is there. If suppose two hydrogens are there, you have to put 2. 3 is there, you have to put 3. So in that case, molarity and normality both are same because X value is 1. Now this N value, this is N is what? Normality. This N value will be equal to what? H plus concentration. Now what is the formula for pH? pH equal to minus log H plus. Substitute this value in this expression. Minus of log 10 power minus. This is in the form of log A power B, nothing but B log A. That means minus of minus 3 into log 10. That means that becomes 1. Finally pH equal to 3. So what is the answer for this question? 3. So what we have to do every time, molarity should be converted into normality to find pH. That concentration normality will be equal to H plus concentration. That's it. Now second example, then you get some more idea. 0.1 m H2SO4. That means here also H2SO4 means what? Acid. For that which is given, molarity is given. That means concentration is given. What we have to find? We have to find pH. What we have to do? If molarity is given, that should be converted into normality. Normality equal to M and X, where X is what? Basicity. That means 2 hydrogens. Put 2 hydrogens here. Then we get some value. What is that value? 0.2. That is what? Normality. That will be equal to what? H plus concentration. Substitute this value here. 0.2 means 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Then it becomes 1 minus log 2. 1 minus 0.301. I told you already log 2 value is how much? 0.3010. Then this value becomes 0.699. That is the value of pH for this substance. That's it. That is the way to calculate pH of acids. But in case of bases, there is some difference. I will discuss that difference now. See. Calculate the pH of 0.001 NaOH. That means NaOH means what? Base. Base is given. For that again molarity is given. If molarity is given for acid or base, it should be converted into normality. Here also for same for normality equal to molarity into X. In this case, X is what? Number of OH. Here one OH is present. If two OHs are there, we have to 2. So normality here also, but molarity and normality both are same. 0.001 means 10 power minus 3. Here this will be equal to here. This will be equal to OH because that is base concentration. Substitute this value here. First, what we have to do? We have to write pOH. We cannot write pH. When will we write pH? If H plus concentration is there, then only we will able to write pH expression. But here OH minus concentration is there. So we will able to write pOH. pOH formula is what? pOH equal to minus log OH minus. Substitute this value here. Then pOH equal to 3. Substitute this value here. Then pH equal to 11. Because pH plus pOH equal to 14. If you substitute this value, then finally pH equal to 11. That is the way to calculate pH of bases. So what we have to do in case of bases? Initially we have to find OH minus concentration. After that we have to find pOH and find pH. That's it. One more example. 0.1 CmOH twice. That means the base is given. For that concentration is also given. That is given in molarity. What is the formula for normality equal to molarity into X. M into M means what? Molarity 0.1 into X means what here? Acidity. Acidity means number of OH. Basicity means number of H plus. Acidity means number of OH. Here how many OHs? 2. 10 power minus 1 into 2. 2 into 10 power minus 1. Substitute this value here. Then we get pOH value. That is how much? 0.7. If you substitute this value in this expression, pH plus pOH equal to 14, we know that. Then finally we get pH. So that is the way to calculate pH of bases. This is very simple model and very important model. This is all about ionic product of water and pH of the solutions. Thank you.